Hey guys, today in this video we will see a stock which is trading around 20 rupees right now. Will it make to 50 rupees, 60 rupees, or even it can touch 100 rupees in near future, or it may fall to 10 rupees, 15 rupees, or what else? You decide that. So as mentioned in the title, so bumper lottery share, it is a bumper lottery share. So we will discuss about the fundamentals of that company and what exactly that company do, I mean nature of business, and how is the financials and how strong is that company and what can happen. So please watch full video and you decide, will it go to 100 rupees or it may fall to 10 rupees. So before getting into the details, let me introduce myself Chandramohan CM, and you are watching your favorite channel Stock Market, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's continue. Now it's trading around 22.35. So today it's been locked at upper circuit 4.93%. So if you look at for 6 months returns, it has given a return of 105%. So in 6 months it has given 105%. If you look at 5 years, in 5 years it has given return of 259%. So 259% returns it has given in 5 years. This company has built expertise to build wind power projects from concept to commission. Wind asset management solution for installed assets, including operations, billing, collection of revenue to project customers, supply of green power to customers, CERs, that is carbon credit sales and trading. I think now you have got an idea that what this company is into. The nature of the company's business is into the renewable sector. So undoubtedly it's a booming sector, and even in future, like another 2 to 3 years, this sector will be booming. So the nature of business of this company is good. So how strong it is and how financial it is, we'll look at that. So to emerge as a leading and sustainable company committed to promotion and generation of power through renewable sources of energy, the vision of this company. So undoubtedly this is into a good sector, but how strong it is, if we look at the financials, we come to know that the company's strength 2014, it has done a sales of 23 crores, and then 2017 26, 22 18 25, in last year it has done sales of 34 crores, only 34 crores sales. So it's not a so big company. So operating profit is okay, OPM is okay. So if we look at the net profit, so you can find there is no profit at all in 2000, then just only 1 crore, and then for 3 years it has a loss of 2 crores, 21 and 12 crores, and there is no profit. And in last year also it has 19 crores loss. So you can see there is no dividend payout till today from this company. So these financials will not look so impressive. So it is not, I think my personal opinion, the financials are not strong. So the base of this company, I think not strong, having not strong any base at all. But it is a nature of business is good. So I think this company stock is running because of the trend. Sometimes what happens, because of the trend, the company stocks will rise according to the sector, and then again once if start to fall, they will fall abruptly. So one should be very careful, and if you want to invest into these companies, there will be a very huge risk, very high risk. So you need to be bear for that risk. It can go up to 100 rupees, but if falls again it can come to 10 to 15 rupees, or from tomorrow itself it can take you turn from 22 rupees to it can again go to 15 rupees. So that all depends on you. You take the decision. The name of this company is Indo Wind Energy Limited. So Indo Wind Energy Limited. By saying this, we'll end today's video. So we'll meet in next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.